We're diving into the question, is the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 worth its $399 price tag? Let's find out. Stay tuned. First off, the Moto G Stylus 5G is priced at $399, making it a budget-friendly alternative to high-end stylus phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which costs a whopping $1,100. For those who need a stylus, but don't want to break the bank, this phone could be a game changer. The design is one of the most refreshing updates we've seen. It sports a unique dual camera setup and a faux leather back, available in Scarlet Wave and Caramel Latte. The Caramel Latte in particular has a sleek, elegant feel that avoids the fingerprint mess typical of glossy finish. Now, let's talk about the display. This phone boasts a stunning OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits peak brightness. That's more than double the brightness of last year's model, making it perfect for outdoor use. The screen-to-body ratio is an impressive 88.2%, with minimal bezels and a neat hole punch camera. The stylus itself is all metal and feels premium. It's not as technologically advanced as the Galaxy Ultra styluses, but it's perfect for basic tasks like note-taking and using the handwriting calculator. Simple, yet effective. Under the hood, we've got a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of internal storage. It handles day-to-day tasks and casual gaming smoothly, in my tests. Even graphic-intensive games like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile ran well at high settings. The battery is another strong point with a 5000 mAh capacity, 3OW fast charging, and 15 West wireless charging. I got about 8 to 9 hours of screen on time, easily lasting a full day of moderate use. The camera setup is decent for its price. While it may not match up to the likes of the Galaxy A35 or Pixel 6a, it's capable of capturing good photos with nice depth and color. The video quality is acceptable but not exceptional. Audio-wise, the Moto G Stylus 5G comes with stereo speakers and retains the beloved headphone jack, which is becoming rare these days. Perfect for audiophiles on a budget. Now, the downside, software updates. Motorola only promises one OS update and 3 years of security patches. Compared to competitors offering more extensive update schedules, this is a letdown. So, is the Moto G Stylus 5G worth $399? If you need a stylus phone without splurging on older or more expensive models, this device is a solid choice. Despite the limited software updates, its display, battery life, and overall performance make it a great option for everyday use. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Is the Moto G Stylus 5G on your wish list? See you in the next video.